After our tiring days exploring Osaka, we felt that maybe city life was a bit much, bouncing from one spot to another. So we decided to hit the brakes and head to some of Kyoto's coolest spots, Fushimi Inari Taisha, Bamboo Forest, and Arashiyama Monkey Park. Join us as we explore these amazing places where we found some much needed peace. Trust us, you don't want to miss this nature-filled day in Kyoto. Join Lisa and me, Andy, as we explore hidden gems and culinary delights from around the world. 5 years of traveling, always curious, and never afraid to try something new. Welcome to our introverted adventure. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. This is day number 8 of the Japan vlog. Today, we're in Kyoto. We're at the Fushimi Inari Shrine. It is legendary for its many torii gates right here. These torii gates are said to go on for miles. Since we had more stops on our itinerary, we decided to go back earlier. But this can be a half-day excursion, depending if you want to keep walking the miles of torii gates. Legend has it that if you write your name and your wish down on one of these torii gates here, then you donate 1,000 yen, your wish will more than likely come true. As long as it's a plausible wish, not of this world. Alright, so that was Fushimi Inari Shrine. Oh, Fushimi Inari Taisha shrines. This place was amazing and beautiful. If you have a chance to go down to Kyoto, make sure you visit Fushimi Inari Taisha shrine. So Arashiyama has a few things that we're here for today. The weather outside is getting pretty crazy. Find an umbrella. 5 minutes ago, sunny. Now, all rainy. Make up your mind, weather. Usually, we wouldn't mind the rain, but because we only had today's schedule to visit this part of Kyoto, we were afraid that it would cause a cancellation. So it has temporarily stopped raining. After the rain stopped, we began exploring the bamboo forest. Once we finished enjoying the bamboo forest, it was time to eat some food. And luckily, there's a bunch of food stalls right outside by the entrance. Chewy with some soy sauce glaze. Pretty decent. The glaze is a little sweet and just a tad bit salty. So we got the upside down ice cream right here. And here. Flip it upside down. It does taste like it, doesn't it? Soy milk. I think it's alright. I think tofu is definitely good though. The sweet. Alright, mixing it tastes better. A little bit more flavor. Black sesame is a little strong, while the tofu is softer. So then it mixes together pretty well. We're getting some rain and wind right now in our dangle. Oh, now the sky looks pretty cloudy. We are going to see our monkeys no matter what. Even rain or shine, we're going to see those monkeys. At this point, we were really worried that if it started raining again, the monkeys would go hide or the area would close. Before you can get to the Arashiyama Monkey Park, you have to hike up this area, and it's a fairly intermediate hike, but pretty steep for some. How are you holding up over there?
I'm dying. Just give me a flashback to Buffalo.
The hike looks beautiful though, with the sun rays shooting through the tree leaves. Gives it this very nice and etheric glow. Slip right here, you're gonna tumble quite a far ways down. Ooh. After a slightly difficult 20-minute hike, we made it to the top, where we saw the most adorable creatures on our trips. Holy crap, there's a monkey there. He's just climbing all over the place. That's crazy. Monkeys are just sitting there and hanging out. There's a few things you don't want to do when you're with the monkeys. Number one, don't stare at the monkey in the eyes. Number two, don't touch the monkeys. Even though they look cute, they'll probably bite you. And number three, don't feed them outside of the enclosures. Then you're essentially training them to seek you out outside of the enclosures, and that can be unsafe. So those are the 3 rules for monkey watching. Alright, so we got the food. Time to feed the monkeys. They're all just lined up on this cage. So this is the cage where they are trained to be fed at. Oh, really?
You are mean. You are a mean one. You are mean.
Give me more. Give me. This girl, she just got some more food for the monkeys. These monkeys are so cute. There was one monkey, he found 2 rocks and he started rubbing them together with his hands. The monkeys are definitely worth the trip all the way up to Arashiyama. It is probably one of the best things about Arashiyama so far. And worth waiting for that rain to go away. We're gonna make the hike down now. Another 20 minutes to go. We got the grape cheesecake and strawberry shortcake. Wow, have we finally found it? The good strawberry.
3. Recipe!
Yeah, just tastes like, isn't this what root beer float tastes like?